going to be showing you how to make a dragon fruit berry smoothie. So the ingredients you'll need are milk, some dragon fruit, frozen strawberries, blueberries, and some frozen raspberries, pineapple, condensed milk, some lemon juice, and some chia seeds. So the first thing you need to do to make your delicious dragon fruit berry smoothie is add your strawberries, and add your pineapple, your frozen raspberries, your watermelon, your blueberries, and finally your dragon fruit, and your milk. And blend that well. Now if you want, you can add your condensed milk. And now you're going to blend that well. Now this step is optional. You can add 5 to 10 ice cubes. And you can also add your lemon juice. Now that you've finished your smoothie, you're going to want to pour it into your glass. We're using a mason jar. Looks very pretty. It'll taste very good. So you can either use a straw. Before you put the straw in, you need to add your chia seeds. You just want to sprinkle them at the top like so. Then you can add your straw and stir and have a nice, delicious dragon fruit berry smoothie.